How to save battery life on your iPhone in 2024. Here's a few simple tips that are going to go ahead and help you. First of all, go into settings and go to accessibility and turn on auto brightness. This may affect the long-term battery, like if you have it off, but if you have this on, it optimizes the brightness for your environment to keep the battery steady throughout the day. So have that turned on. Next, go over here to General, go to Background App Refresh, go here and turn this off. If you really want to save battery, turn it all off. If you want to save some battery, go through each individual item and turn off the ones you don't need refreshing in the background. This is a massive drain on battery for iPhones. The next one you can do is go ahead to your settings, scroll over here to Control Center, and scroll down here and make sure you have low power mode. It might not be on by default, but go to low power mode and go ahead and add that to your Control Center. Now you'll have the ability to have Apple's version of saving you battery right here by turning on low power mode. If you have an OLED iPhone, like the iPhone 15, the iPhone 14, or the iPhone 13, I would recommend using the dark mode, as it will create a darker background and stuff like that, in effect saving you some battery life as well. In addition, as much as possible, try to be on Wi-Fi and have your Bluetooth turned off if you're not actively using it, as it can drain just a little bit of battery. Also, in addition to that, go through some of these applications and find out which ones you're not actually using. The way you can actually figure out which apps you're not using is to go into battery, scroll down, and you'll see battery usage by apps. If you find yourself down here with like 1% of usage, or if it has a line like this means you basically never are using it. Hardly ever. It's like draining no battery. If you find some stuff in here you don't even open anymore, go ahead and just get rid of those altogether. Another thing you can do is go over here into General, go into your iPhone storage, and then go ahead and click on some of these applications. You'll see how much storage are taken up. This app size shows, that you've been using it a little bit more if you want to figure that out. So you can go ahead and offload that app. That might save you a little bit of battery as well. Also, make sure when you're charging the phone that you don't let it drop all the way down to 0 and then keep charging it to 100, because over time you will drain your battery health like that. Another tip is to go into battery here and then go to charging optimized. Now, if you really want your battery to last on your iPhone here, go ahead and click the 80% limit and only charge it to 80%. You can also do optimized battery charging and clean energy charging as well, but this will still drain it over time. If you really want it to last forever, use the 80% limit. That's probably going to be your most conservative option. And so those are some of the tips I have here for you today on how to save battery life on your iPhone in 2024. Let me know if you have more. This wasn't everything. This was just a few. I plan to do an update video to this soon, so stay tuned. But let me know your thoughts and other tips you might have to help others out. I'll catch you on the next one. Nick here. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.